Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today I want to check out this inductive robot with new LED lights. As you can see, this robot is one of those toys that will follow a line that you draw. Comes with a marker and a cute little robot. We have the on-off right here. It's alive! Oh my goodness, oh no! So you can see you can get multiples of these inductive robots and have them go around in circles for days. What more could we want? I'm gonna flip out like a ninja, 'cause that's what ninjas do. There's a lot to be said about this little guy, going around in circles, aimlessly, just like my life. Wake up, go to work, come home. Nah, man, I'm just playing. My life is awesome. So I'm pretty sure that you're not supposed to make this thing go in a crossroads, because it will make it no longer work. It doesn't have the ability to discern what direction. Let's see how it does. No, no, now it's free. Oh, wow, it picked itself right back up, too. That's interesting. Once again, just like life, always full of happy surprises. Alright, I'm going to do a sneaky on this guy and see if he figures it out. Nope, he is not taking the bait. I'm going to make life extra interesting for him. No! Life is hard, Mr. Robot. Maybe you didn't make the line big enough. So still, there's really not a whole lot going on here, but it's really interesting because it has the ability to do this stuff. Oh! My Advanced Dungeons and Dragons monster book just isn't good enough for this guy. So let's have a look at what's going on here at the bottom. It's interesting to actually see the light, so put black over here. Sees black on both ends, it won't do anything. So that's interesting. This robot is not racist. That's good. Alright, busting her open because that's just how we do here on this channel. Not much going on with the arms, of course. Looks like the head is just LED lights and that's it. Got a little circuit board. That's where the battery compartment is. I didn't actually have to take that off to get this. Circuit board at the back. Modularly plug into. And there's not really a whole lot going on here. That is what I love the most about interesting toys, when they're super simple. Alright, here's a closer look at the bottom. And the circuit board, modular circuit board, which is pretty interesting. Made in 2018. There's the pickups for... that's the ground plug? Why would something like this have the ground? Seriously though, we got a red, yellow, and black. What's up with the black, I wonder? I'm sure it's something super simple. Oh boy, having me some fun tonight. Uh-oh. Do you? I have a robot that I've taken apart. Yeah? You want to give the robot some nail polish, maybe?
Robot?
He's a smart robot. Well, apparently Aggies and I are going to be trying on some nail polish. Apparently blue is my favorite color. Here, show me. Show me your nail polish. Well, blue robot, blue nail polish. That's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated. And have a good one, folks.
Who's robot?